Our website prior to the current Opticommerce website was looking a little bit tired, a little bit old-fashioned. It was a bit clunky in transferring from page to page, and we feel it's given us a modern appearance, a modern, fresh look, and just looks more professional.
Since we got the new website, yes, it's made a big difference to us. I commonly get customers commenting on how nice the website is, and yes, it brings patients into the practice because they feel that we're up to date and it's very well laid out, so we've been really pleased with it.
Especially since we had the website revamped, and the presence of the frame catalogue especially has helped enormously, promoting the brands on there, and patients being able to search the styles that they like, and the catalogue has been extremely useful and certainly brought up more new patients with frame requests in, certainly.
I think it's imperative to have a social media presence these days, and I have to say, having been in practice a long time, we found that difficult to embrace, but now we've got on board with it. Our followers are increasing dramatically, and yes, we've been really pleased with the social media side of things and getting on with it.
I'd say just for the fresh look of the website and the service and helping set up the website was very useful at the outset.